Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to improve database query in Laravel. So let's get started with the one example. So here you can see that list of posts with the author name. So you can go here and here you can see that I added one column here like active. So you can see that all users are active. Just fourth number user are not active. If you go to the post, there is a added author id link here and there is a four user like fifth and sixth post. So what I want to do is that like I just don't want to use inactive user post here. So let me go here and let me do with the where has condition. Okay, so like where, because we are using the relation, so we have a with user, so I'm using the where has, and then I need to just pass user and then like function. Then I just need builder object and that should be the query and there is the function. So now I just simply write like query and then I will say like where only active record should be there. Okay, so I'll just make the delimiter as well, so you can see that here it's much clear, and I will use the builder here. So let me go here, use illuminate slash database and eloquent slash builder. Okay, so that's it, and let me save and run it here. If I refresh it, you can see that it's gone because that's a user that user was not active. This is the better approach, but I will give you another approach instead of whereHas. Okay, so let me go. We can use whereRelation that Laravel added into the documentation. So let me go here and let me show you that one as well. You can see that whereRelation. So I will just use that one. Okay, so if I go whereRelation, you just need to define your relation name first argument, and then you need to define the column name active, then you need to add the delimiter, and then you need to add one. So that means it only get that user are active. So that's save it and let's see here. So you can see it, yes, it's working fine. So you can use where relation instead of whereHas. That much clear and clear the syntax, so might be helps to you. So if you like our video, then please subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching.